In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive for Business Sync client. We're going to connect your work or school OneDrive to your Windows computer so your files stay synced between your desktop and the cloud. This is quick, and once it's set up, it runs quietly in the background. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar area near the clock on the bottom right of your screen. It might be blue or white. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, then select the cloud. The blue icon usually represents your work account, and the white icon often indicates a personal account, but either icon opens the OneDrive app where we'll make the change. When the OneDrive panel opens, click the gear icon to access settings. If you only see a small menu, click settings from that menu to open the full window. In the settings window, find the account section on the left side. This is where you manage the accounts connected to your OneDrive app. Now click the Add an Account button. A sign-in window will appear. Enter your work or school email address and continue through the login prompts. Depending on your organization, you might be redirected to your company's sign-in page and asked to confirm your identity, possibly with a verification code or an authenticator app. Follow those prompts until you're fully signed in. Once signed in, OneDrive will connect your device to your organization's cloud storage and begin preparing to sync. You'll see confirmation in the OneDrive window, and the cloud icon may change or show a brief status message. After a moment, File Explorer should display a OneDrive folder labeled with your organization, and files will start syncing automatically. You can continue working while this happens. A few tips as you go. If you can't find the gear icon, try right-clicking the cloud icon to open settings. If sign-in doesn't work, make sure you entered your organization email correctly and that you have a reliable internet connection. Some companies require a VPN for access. If that applies to you, connect to your VPN and try again. If the cloud icon never appears, the app may be hidden or not installed. Reach out to your IT support for help. That's it. You've added your OneDrive for Business account to the Sync client, and your files are now kept up to date across your devices. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.